Google Workspace versus Microsoft 365. Which one should you choose? Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you which one should you choose between Microsoft and Google. So having said that, let's just jump into the video, and I'm going to go ahead and compare both of them, what they offer, their price, their features, so that you guys can make a better and more informed decision. So let's get into it. First, let's take a look at Google. Now, Google Workspace is an amazing tool that you can get. It basically combines all of the tools that Google provides in a single application. It also provides you with the AI. And if you come over here, it also provides you with the new the Gemini AI. And if you come over here at the top, you can see the products over here. So these are all the products that Google has. And if you want, you can even add some add-ons as well. So if you want to check out the entire list, just simply click on see all over here, and you will see all of the applications that are available in it. So as you can see right here, we have Gmail, Meet, Chat, Calendar, Drive, Forms. We even have Vault, Endpoint, AppSheet. We have even Google Voice as well, which is like a virtual number that they provide for either WhatsApp or other application that you may use, whether for personal or business use as well. So you have a bunch of different options to choose from. So as you can see over here, let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing as well. So if we click on the price over here, we can see that these are all of the applications that it possesses, right? Every plan includes all of these applications plus add-on feature such as the Gemini. Now over here, you can see that it starts at $6 per month. But if you go with the yearly plan, sorry, there is no yearly plan over here. It's just 1 year commitment. If you click on this button, you can see or $7.20 per user per month. So as you can see, if we go with the monthly plan, you will have to pay $7.20 per user per month. But if you go with the annual plan, which is like the 1 year commitment, you will only have to pay $6. So in the starter plan, you get 30 gigabytes of pooled storage per user. So pooled means all of the application are going to share that storage. You will have a secure custom business email. So it'll be like this example right here, which will be you at your company.com. You will have 100 participant video meetings and secure and management control, right? You also get Gemini add-on available as well. If you want to go ahead and compare all of them together, you scroll down, you will see all of the features that they have in much more detail. So over here, you can go ahead and compare them as well. So you can see the starter plan has basically everything except for appointment booking pages and meeting recording saved to Google Drive, noise cancellation. There are other features as well, such as Q&A, polling, moderation control, hand raise, breakout room. So it's other features that you may or may not use depending upon your usage, right? There's also some desktop features for Drive as well. So you can see you don't have shared drives for your teams. Each team will have an individual drive, target audience sharing. So you can see you have a bunch of different cool features that you aren't getting. I would say the most coolest one is probably the noise cancellation, because as the name suggests, it's noise cancellation. What else do you want? But I don't think it's enough for you to go ahead and move over to the next plan, which is the business one. Now this one costs $12 per user per month with the 1 year commitment, but if we go with the monthly, it's going to cost you $14 per month. And in this one, you get 2 terabytes pooled storage, which is a lot of storage. And if we come down over here, you can see you have 150 participants, right? You get noise cancellation, you get meeting recordings directly saved to your Google Drives, you get pooling and Q&A, moderation control, hand raising gestures, and breakout rooms as well. You also get shared drives for your teams and target audiences. You also get appointment booking pages as well. So you basically get everything except for attendance tracking and in-domain live streaming. Except for these two, you get everything. And I think this one is the most popular one, I would say, because it's twice as expensive as this one, but you get 2 terabytes of storage and noise cancellation. So I think that alone is pretty cool. Now for the business one, of course, you get 5 terabytes, you get enhanced security, and you get standard support. And in it, you get everything except for in-domain live streaming. After that, I don't think there's anything else you would need. But another cool thing that it is that in the Drive secure cold storage, you get 5 terabyte per user So how many users you add, each user will get that much storage. So, but you already know that because it says right here per user per month. So you will have to be paying for them as well. But yeah, I would say go with the business standard. I think it's the most logical choice here. Now, let's go ahead and compare what Microsoft is offering. Now, Google has a pretty cool lineup of applications that they include, but I would still say Microsoft is a little bit better at it because of the applications that they have. They have just a more variety of applications. So if you come over here, you can see this is Office now 365. They include every single apps that you can possibly imagine in it. So right, so you have for home, for organization, for education, you get file sharings, notes, everything. Right, so over here you can see all of the cool stuff that they have. Now, if you're wondering what are the applications that they add, so if you click on product, you can see for home, you can see all of the apps and service right here. So you have Excel, Microsoft Word, Outlook, OneNote, PowerPoint, projects. If you click on see all applications, see all features, it's going to open up right here so that we can see all of it right here. These are all of the features, all of the applications that 365 includes. As you can see, it's just a ton and ton of applications. Mainly, people are going to be using Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Drive, Defender, and Designer, and Clipchamps. Those are the main ones, but there's also other ones such as Edge, such as Forms, Intune, a Planner, Power Apps. We have Word, we have Windows, we have Viva, we have Sway, Skype. We have all these different applications that people use on a day-to-day basis, but they don't realize how important they are. Right now, in terms of application wise, of course, Google doesn't have a good lineup, but they provide a pretty decent applications. I would say Microsoft provides more, but because of these services, Microsoft is going to be a little bit more expensive. So if you come over here and compare the pricing, you can see right here, if you go with paid yearly, you can see Microsoft 365 for personal use is going to cost you $70 per year. Which, to say it's not that expensive, it's just $7 per month right here. You do save $13 if you go with the yearly plan, but if you go with the monthly, it's going to be $7 per month. All right, so that's going to be around $95, $98, something like that. But yeah, $95 for the personal plan. And if we come over here, we can see it's going to be $12. But if we go ahead and actually, it's going to be much, much more expensive, which I thought was not going to be the case, but it actually is. Google is a little bit more expensive than Microsoft. Let's go ahead and compare the features. All right. So if you scroll down, we can see all of the features that Microsoft offers, right? So if you go with the family plan, right, from 2 to 6 people, it's going to be $100 subscription per year, and you can add 1 to 6 people over here, which is pretty cool. Number of accounts you can add, like 1 to 6 accounts. You will have up to 6 terabytes of storage, 1 terabyte per person. So it's a little bit, it's not as good as Google when it comes to storage because they only offer 1 terabyte, whereas Google is offering 2 terabytes. But if we go with the simple plan, which is $6 per month, which is around the same amount, they are offering 30 gigabytes. So not that great. And if we go ahead and see all of the other features, we can see we have all these other applications as well that are available in the family plan, which is if we go with the personal plan, you get all of them, but you only get to have one person, one plan, which is your personal plan, of course. You get 1 terabyte of storage in it as well. And you get all the other applications as well. So as you can see, they are different, but Microsoft does provide a better service because they have a better lineup of applications. They have more storage, they have more applications. And if you go with the family plan, you can add more people as well. And it is much cheaper as well. So $100 per year. Compare that to 12, that's like $144, I would say. So, which is like $44 more expensive, but I would say that it is more, oriented toward business because they also will give you a secure custom business email as well. And basically you get 150 participants video meeting as well. So you can basically have a meeting with your entire company just for $44 extra. So, you win some, you lose some. It depends on what it is that you are offering. If you're just a simple person, right, you're not a business oriented person, and you just want something that can encompass all of your needs, right, and some of your fellow team members or your family members, then Microsoft is the go-to, because it can add more people in the family plan. It is cheaper, and you get a number of applications that Google does not have. But if you're business oriented and you wanted to have like a business email and a domain and stuff like that, then I would say that go with Google as well. Then I would say go with Google because, it's more business oriented. So, yeah. Speaking of, I'm not sure if Microsoft is giving their AI in the plan. They should. They have their own AI as well, which is, I think, which is a Copilot. I'm not sure if they have it. Let me go ahead and click on plans and pricings and see as well. So here you can see. So it does not seem like they have it over here. So it does not look like they have it. So yeah. If you're wondering what this is like the standard version of Microsoft 365. This is a simple, more standard version of the 365. And over here, as you can see, they do offer Copilot as well. So, which I think is pretty cool. So yeah, over here, you can check out all of their other plans as well. But so yeah, in my opinion, if you are, looking for something business related, then go with Google. But if you're looking for something more chilled and laid back and something you can share with your team, then I would go with Microsoft. So yeah, very simple. This is how you do it. So very simple. These are all the things that you need to know about Google and Microsoft. So let me know in the comment section, which one are you going to be choosing? And as always, thank you guys for watching. And until next time, take care and goodbye.